been scrolling through social media lately, you've probably seen Futuremoney pop up. And if you're like most people, your first reaction was probably like, okay, but is this actually legit? Or is this just another app trying to take my money? And that's exactly what I'm here to answer today for you. I went through Futuremoney top to bottom, the features, the pricing, the account types, the security, all of it. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly whether this app is worth your time or not. I'm Alex, aka your money friend. With that said, let's get into it. What is Futuremoney? Futuremoney is an investing app, but it's built around the specific idea that makes it different from pretty much every other investing app out there. It's designed to help parents invest for their kids. Most investing apps are built for adults investing for themselves. Futuremoney actually flips that. The whole platform is built around helping families start building wealth for the next generation as clearly as possible. And the reason that matters is actually really simple. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. A dollar invested for a child today has decades to compound before they ever even need it. And that's a massive advantage that most people never take advantage of simply because they don't know where to start. Futuremoney is trying to fix that. Who is this for? Futuremoney is primarily built for two types of people. The first is parents who want to start investing for their kids but have no idea where to begin. The app is actually really cool because the app makes the whole process simple enough that you don't need any investing experience to get started. Futuremoney actually has this really cool gifting feature, which we'll get into in a minute, that lets friends and families contribute to a child's investment account for birthdays, holidays, or just because. But if you're a young adult investing for yourself, there are other apps better suited for that. Futuremoney's sweet spot is families and parents who are thinking long-term. The account types. Futuremoney offers several different account types. So depending on what you're trying to accomplish, let's break them down pretty simply. A Junior Roth IRA. This is Futuremoney's most talked about account, and honestly, their most unique offering. A Roth IRA is a retirement account where you put in money you've already paid taxes on. The benefit is that everything inside of that account grows completely tax-free. When your child eventually withdraws the money in retirement, they don't owe a single dollar in taxes on those gains. Most people don't realize you can open a Roth IRA for a child. Futuremoney calls theirs the Junior Roth IRA, and it's one of the only platforms that makes this process this simple. The contribution limit is $7,000 per year, and the child does need to have earned income to contribute, meaning they need to have made some money from a job or paid work. But for families who qualify, this is one of the most powerful long-term wealth building tools available. 529 Education Savings Plan. A 529 is specifically designed for education expenses. You put money in, it grows tax-free, and when your child is ready for college, the withdrawals are also tax-free as long as the money is used for qualified education expenses like tuition, books, and housing. If your main goal is helping your child pay for college without debt, this is the account for that. Custodial Roth IRA. This works similarly to the Junior Roth IRA, but is set up slightly differently from a legal standpoint. So how this works is the parent manages the account until the child reaches adulthood, at which point full control transfers over to them. General investing account. If you just want to start investing without the restrictions that come with retirement or education accounts, the general investing account is the most flexible option. There are no contribution limits and no rules about what the money has to be used for. Traditional IRA. Futuremoney also offers a traditional IRA for adults. Unlike a Roth IRA, contributions to a traditional IRA might be tax deductible now, but you pay taxes when you withdraw the money in retirement. How investing works on the app. One of the things that makes Futuremoney stand out is how simple they've made the actual investing process. When you open an account, Futuremoney builds a diversified portfolio for you automatically based on your goals and timeline. Diversified just means your money is spread across different types of investments, so you're not putting everything in one place. You don't have to pick individual stocks or figure out which funds to buy. Futuremoney handles all of that for you. You just set up your contributions and let the app do the work. You can set up automatic reoccurring investments weekly, monthly, whatever works for your budget. Even a small amount adds up significantly over time when you start early enough. The gifting future. This is one of Futuremoney's most unique features and honestly one of the coolest things about the app. So I really wanted to kind of talk about this and show you guys the screen, their official page, breaking this down because I think this is like really cool. It's one of their best features that they offer. It's give a gift that builds a future. Make a meaningful impact by helping families save for their child's future milestones like college, a first home, or securing their financial future. So you celebrate in milestones, mark birthdays, graduations, or any big life moments with a gift that can grow. Choose an amount to contribute to their Junior Roth IRA, 529 plan, custodial Roth IRA, or general investing account. And you can give regularly too. Like you can set up recurring contributions to support a child's goals consistently. Choose an amount, contribute to their Junior IRA, 529, custodial Roth IRA, or general investing account. And you do so by just making a gift right here on it. Futuremoney lets friends and family contribute directly to a child's investment account as a gift instead of buying another toy that gets forgotten in the week. You know, grandparents, aunts, uncles, and family friends can give the gift of actual investments. You get a shareable link that you can send to anyone. They click it, choose an amount, and the money goes straight into the child's account. No complicated setup required on their end. For birthdays, holidays, graduations, this is genuinely and a practical gift that actually grows in value over time. All right, with that said, let's talk about what Futuremoney actually costs because this is one of the most important things to understand before signing up. So Futuremoney has two plans. They have their Pro plan, which is $5.99 a month, and this is the standard plan. It gives you access to their core features, the investment accounts, automatic contributions, the gifting feature, and the app's portfolio management tool. Then you have the Generations plan. This one is $15 a month instead of $5 a month. So yeah, I think I mistaked it, but yeah, it's $5 a month, not $5.99. It's $5 a month or $48 a year, and then it's $15 a month or $120 a year for the Generations account. And so this is the premium plan. It unlocks additional features, including access to multiple accounts, more advanced portfolio options, and priority support. One thing worth knowing, Futuremoney offers income-based discounts on the Pro plan. If your household income falls below a certain threshold, you may qualify for a reduced rate. I think that's genuinely a thoughtful touch that not many other apps or companies offer, and compared to the long-term value of what you're building, especially with something like a Junior Roth IRA that could grow for decades, the monthly cost is pretty minimal. Security and trust. This is the question a lot of people have, especially when it comes to an app that's handling their kids' money. Is Futuremoney actually safe? Yes. Here is why. Futuremoney is registered with FINRA, the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority. That's the organization that oversees brokerage firms in the United States. Being registered with them, the FNRA, means Futuremoney has to follow strict rules about how they handle your money and your data. Your investments are also protected by SIPC, the Securities Investor Protection Corporation. SIPC protects your investment accounts up to $500,000 in the event that the brokerage ever fails. That's the same protection you get with any major brokerage in the US. Futuremoney also uses bank-level encryption to protect your personal and financial information. So from a security standpoint, this is a legitimate, a regulated platform, not a scam. So what are people saying? Real users of Futuremoney consistently highlight a few things. The simplicity is the most common compliment. Parents who had never invested before say the app made the whole process feel approachable and easy to understand. No confusing jargons, no overwhelming options. The gifting feature gets a lot of love too, shifting from those physical presents to something that actually builds long-term value. The Junior Roth IRA specifically gets called out as a game changer by parents who didn't realize this was even an option before finding Futuremoney. On the flip side, some users mention that the app is still relatively new, so there are occasional, future updates and improvements still being rolled out. And the account options, while solid, are more limited compared to larger established brokerages. But the big question you're probably wondering is Futuremoney legit? Let's answer the question in the title directly. Is Futuremoney a scam? No, it's a fully regulated FINRA restricted investing platform with real security protections behind it. Is it legit for investing? Yes, especially if you are a parent who wants to start building wealth for your child and doesn't know where to begin. Is it perfect? No app is perfect. It is still relatively a young platform and there is some room to grow, but the foundation is really solid and the core product genuinely delivers on what it promises. So how do you get started? Getting started with Future Money is genuinely one of the easiest signups ever. You go to the link in the description down below and download the app. It takes about 30 seconds. And from there, you create an account. So for example, let's just say we're on our computer. You want to press get started and then we go ahead and it takes us, it's going to ask you for your phone number, or you can use a Google account, or you can use an email. It also says it right here and it just kind of confirms it's SIPC insured. It is secure and it is flexible. You'll continue with either your phone number, your Google account, or your email, and a password. That's it for step one. Then you choose your account type. If you're a parent investing for your child, the Junior Roth IRA is the one that most people start with. At the end of the day, Future Money is doing something genuinely different, right? Most investing apps are built for you. Future Money is built for the next generation. And if you're a parent who wants to give your child a real financial head start, this is one of the simplest ways to do it. The link to get started is in the description. Go check it out. If this video helped you out, hit the like button and subscribe. We post new videos every week here on Your Money Friend, breaking down money and investing in a way that actually makes sense. That's it from me, Alex, aka Your Money Friend. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.